Hello viewers, uh, today this is the first lecture about C language. In this lecture I introduce you the basics of programmings. What is programming? I also explain in this tutorial what is. Now in this first lecture I just introduce the basics of C programming. Now we start. Introduction. What is C? C, a language written by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie. This was to be the language that Unix was written into become the first portable language. Unix is the operating system, that is first operating system made in C language. In recent years, C has been used as a general purpose language because of its popularity with programmers. Why use C? Mainly because it produces code that runs nearly as fast as code written in assembly language. Some examples of the use of C might be operating system. We can we can make different things like first we operating systems, language compilers, assemblers, text editors, print spoolers, network drives, and etc. Mainly because of the portability. Portability means that we can write C program and run in different platforms. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs wrote C, and in 1978, the publication of the C programming language by Kernighan and Ritchie caused a revolution in the computing world. In 1983, the American National Standard Institute (ANSI) established a committee to provide modern comprehensive definition of C. The resulting definition, the ANSI standard or ANSI C, was completed in late 1988. Why C is still useful? Because C provides efficiency, high performance and high quality softwares, flexibility and power, many high level and low level operations, middle level also, stability and small size code, provide functionality through rich set of function libraries, gateway for the professional languages like C++ and Java. First C and then C++. This is the improved version and this is the latest object oriented features available in this, and also Java. C is used system software compilers. C was used to make or develop different compilers, editors, embedded systems, data compression, graphics and computational geometry, utility programs, databases, operating system, device drivers, system level routines. There are millions and trillions of lines of C legacy code also used in application program. Now you can understand about that C is first is high performance and high quality to make different softwares, and also you can first write system softwares, compilers and all other embedded system. These are the basics that C was used. Software development method: requirement specification, analysis, design, implementation, verification and testing. As you know that before making a software, first we have requirement, after that analysis, design, implementation, verification, testing. The software development methods you can all implement on C language. You can develop a software in development with C. There are 4 stages. Number one, first of all, we have to write the code that is called editing. Writing the source code by using some IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment or editor. When we use, if you need to write C program, we use IDE. We need IDE or editor that we in the next lecture I will explain how to write a program in different IDs or editors. But there are four stages. Number one, first editing, in writing the source code by using some IDE or editor. Number two, pre-processing or libraries, already available routines. And routines means functions, procedures, already have some built-in functions in C language that we can use after when we start our first program. After that, compiling, first editing, writing, and then processing or libraries, and then compiling. Then we can write this code, means translates or converts source to object code. Object code like in machine code for a specific platform. Source code then to object code, like when compiling the program written in C language, that first convert source code into object code. After that, linking resolves external references. External references means like we can use libraries. If you need to input or output, we use linking. Then we use some different libraries to connect that code and produces the executable module, executable file. Portable programs will run on any machine, but after note that because program correctness and robustness are most important than program efficiency. Another programming languages like various various programming are used. Some understandable directly by computers, like machine language, which is directly understand, but there is no compiler or there is no translator between this. Natural languages of partition. This is the computer's natural language, consists of ones and zeros. Instruct computer to perform elementary operation and one at a time. Machine dependent. Programming assembly language. This is first step higher, one step higher to machine. And these are English-like abbreviation are used like load, add, store, etc. High-level languages means we need speed that is understood by the humans, but not understood by computer, because the compiler convert the high level into machine language. History of C. Well, from two previous languages, first BCPL and B. BCPL, basic combined programming language, used to write operating systems and compilers. B, used by creating early version of Unix operating system. Both were typeless languages. C language evolved from B, Dennis Ritchie and Bells. Typeless means no data types. Every data item occupied one word in memory. One word is the the basic unit to store the data in memory. Hardware independent, program portable to most computer. Dialect C means common C, ANSI C, ANSI, these are the standard versions. These are also case sensitive language. There are standard library along with the C. Two parts of learning C and learning C itself, taking advantage of a rich collection of existing functions called C standard library. Avoid reinventing the wheel. Software reusability. Now basic of C pro environment. First we have to, there are three parts: environment, language, C standard library, development environment, and 6 phases: edit, preprocessor, compile, link, load, and execute. These are the steps or these are in which we can write a program. After that, preprocessor, and then compiling, link, load, and execute. Now, and then this is the basic history of, and this is the basic of C environment. Now, in next lecture, I write a first program to write, and after that execute it and explain it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.